To use a Canva website template in WordPress, follow these steps. Design your website template in Canva. Log into Canva. Go to Canva and sign in. Search for a website template. In the Canva search bar, type website and choose a template that fits your style. Customize the design. Edit text, images, colors, and layout to match your brand. Export your design. Click Share, Download, then choose PNG, JPG or PDF if you only need images or HTML for interactive web pages. Convert Canva design for WordPress. If using Canva as a static page, upload images to WordPress. Log into WordPress. Go to Media, Add New and upload the images from Canva. Use these images to create a new page with the Gutenberg editor or Elementor. If using Canva's HTML, copy Canva's embed code. Click Share, More and choose Embed. Copy the embed code. Paste in WordPress. In WordPress, create a new page. Switch to the custom HTML block and paste the Canva embed code.